Bose SoundLink Flex against Marshall Emberton. Let's compare the most important specs so we can make a better decision. The Bose seems to be made for people that intend to use it outdoors, where there will be dust and it will float in the water if you ever drop it from, let's say, a boat. On the other side, the Marshall has an insane battery life and a slightly better Bluetooth range. Which one of these two would you choose? Please let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. I will see you in the next one.